In this video, we are going to understand that when attempting to convert an Excel file to CSV using a Groovy script, the process fails with a Java.lang.OutOfMemoryError, Java heap space error. So this issue arises when the input Excel file size is large, exceeding the memory allocation limits. To overcome this, the root cause would be caused due to insufficient Java heap space allocated to the process. When the Excel file is large, the memory required to process it exceeds the allocated heap size, leading to an out of memory error. Here, to resolve this issue, follow these steps. Increase Java heap size, that is, address the heap size settings for the process. This can be done by increasing the XMX parameter in the Java options to allocate more memory. Example, XMX 8G to allocate 8 GB of memory, and optimize the Groovy script. Ensure that the script is optimized to handle large files efficiently. Consider processing the files in chunks rather than loading the entire file into the memory. Atom adjust worker property. So modify the atom worker maximum execution time and maximum general execution time to accommodate longer processing times for the larger files. Example, increase the execution time limits to ensure that the process has enough time to complete. And test with the smaller files. Verify that the process works with the smaller files to ensure that the issue is related to the file size and not the other factors. Monitor and log memory usage. Once after doing the above steps, we should monitor the use monitoring tools to track memory usage during the process execution, and this can help identify if any further adjustments are needed as per that. And thank you.